Good morning, everyone. Grab your hoops and let's do a little hula hooping yoga with Sandy. This morning we are play testing a new hula hoop we just made. It's gold and silver and blue. And let's see how we do. It is a 48-inch hoop, so it's just the same size as my original hoop of love. It weighs a little bit less because it has less duct tape on it. It's a little wonky because it needs a little bit of shaping. And when you hoop with your hoop, you're actually shaping it into a nice, wonderful circle. The more you hoop, the more circular it becomes. So, hands to heart center. Now let's do a full body twist to the left. Feet are facing forward, body's facing to the left. Let's do this around 10 times. Back to center. Full body twist to the right. The feet are still facing forward and your body's facing to the right. Let's do it around 10 times. Let's reach out your hands. And let's do the rainbow. Crystals of reflecting light separate the simple sight. Clouds and sky quietly ignite. Rainbows shine so bright. Let's do it again. Crystals of reflecting light separate the simple sight. Clouds and sky quietly ignite. Rainbows shine so bright. Hands to heart center. Let's do the butterfly. Delight. A baby butterfly bouncing on children, collecting delight, delivering rainbows. Let's do it again. A baby butterfly bouncing on children, collecting delight, delivering rainbows. One more time. A baby butterfly bouncing on children, collecting delight, delivering rainbows. So let's go into Warrior One. Around 10 times. Opened up into Warrior Two. Spread your wings out. Spread out your abdomen. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Laugh out loud. Breathe in. And in. And in. Oh. Oh. Let's do the other side. Warrior One. Open up into Warrior Two and spread out your wings, everyone. Open up your abdomen and spread out your wings and fly. Oh. Oh. I want to try the Petant Warrior. Oh. Oh, shit. I've never tried the Petant Warrior hula hooping before, so this is a new one for me. Basically, your feet are in the warrior position and your hands are behind you. That's a new one for Sandy. All right. Ooh. So let's do eagle pose. Half eagle, that is. Left arm in top, right arm, and breathe in. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Fly like an eagle, it's what we do. Fly like an eagle, we are brand new. Other way. Oh. 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 Fly like an eagle, it's what we do. Fly like an eagle, we're brand new. Now it's time to try and make an attempt at the moon salutation while hula hooping. I haven't done this for a while, so do it with me. We're going to go into temple pose. Now I've been a little sick lately, that's why my voice is a little scratchy right now. Please forgive me. Oh. But we are temples. We are little temples. Oh. And we give ourselves good things. And now we're going to go into the crescent moon. And the moon is all about intuition. So we follow our intuition and amazing things happen. Follow your intuition and amazing things happen. Oh. And one of the most amazing things that can happen is that we realize we're part of the goddess in goddess pose. We're doing this on our tippy toes now while hula hooping. And we are all part of the goddess of love. It's a rainbow flowing through this world, shedding love and light and hope on everyone it touches. And it's us, loving and supporting each other. Thank you for being part of the goddess of love. Oh, you know what? That means we are also bright and shining stars. Now we're in star pose. We are little drops of God love. It's what we are. Every day in every way, we let that love shine in us in a million different ways. In crafting, in cooking, in bathing, in beauty, in makeup. In a million different ways, we let the drop of God love in us shine. So shine on, Ninja Kittens, shine. Shine on, Ninja Kittens, shine. Shine in triangle pose. Yeah, because we're a little triangle now. And if your hoop ever does fall, just pick it right up. It's perfectly okay. Now we're in triangle. And now we're going to go into the runner stretch. Ooh. And now we're going to go into side lunge on the right. Again, try and do it 10 times per rotation. And if you can laugh out loud, please do it. I just can't do it today. Okay, I can do it a little bit. So let's go into squat pose. How low, how low, how low can we go? Now we're in squat pose. A lot like goddess, but a little bit lower. Now we're going to do side lunge to the left side. Side lunge, side lunge, side lunge. So this is a variation of the moon salutation, and I do love it. So now we're going to go into triangle on this side. Now we're a little triangle. It's what we are. We're a triangle. We're part of a bright and shining star. Speaking of shining stars, oh no, let's do star pose. There we are. We're bright and shining stars in star pose now. Oh. And from star pose, because we are stars, it also makes us part of the goddess of love, the goddess of love. We are part of the rainbow flowing through this world. in so many different flavors and so many different colors, loving and supporting one another, giving love to ourselves and letting the love in us thrive. Thrive on, girls, thrive on. Thrive on, girls, thrive on. And one of the most important things that we can do to thrive is follow our intuition. Oh, do our best and be our best and follow our intuition into the crescent moon. Because the moon controls our intuition, a friend told me. And thank you, Paige, for telling me this. Oh. The fuller the moon, the stronger our intuition. The more you listen to your intuition, the stronger it becomes. Follow your intuition and amazing things will happen, especially since your body is a temple. And now we're back in temple pose. And we've just done the whole moon salutation on hula hooping because you are wonderful friends of mine. So let's do Curious Kittens, because that's the poem that I've recovered the most recently. Curious Kittens. Young lions stalk the day we take for granted. Young lions take the way pawing with delight. Every step a new adventure, every tail a circle chase, every string a web enchanted, every shoe a holy place. Young lions bless the soul of those caught watching. Young lions make us whole to be young with them. Every stone a desert island, every moth a stately prize, every leaf a new invention, every turn a great surprise. So we're going to end today's Hula Hooping Yoga session with my mantra, which if you know it, you can do it with me. Who am I? I am her, I am me, I am she. I am Sandy Alice Haas. I'm a good girl, and I obey. I am a lovely lady, and I submit for success. I am a wonderful woman learning to love myself and others too. I'm a pretty princess in everything I do. I am a Hello Kitty warrior, a warrior for love and light. I'm a ninja kitten. I make everything bright. And may sweet water and light laughter fill your days till we meet again. Don't forget to like and subscribe, but more importantly, give yourself love and thrive. And thrive on, girls, thrive on. Thrive on, girls, thrive on. Thrive on, girls. Give yourself love and thrive.